Okay, Priyan. So I will ask some questions. You will have to answer, okay? Whatever you feel like, however you feel like, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
So,
The first one.
first question is, what is your favorite color and why do you like it?
Cyan
Cyan. Why?
and red.
Okay.
Like Spider-Man, Stop Sign, Lightning McQueen, Thor's Dry Shit.
Okay. And cyan. Why cyan color?
Because this is cyan and this is cyan. And I also like blue color like my Captain America.
Oh.
See this?
Okay. Next question. Moving on to next question.
Second,
If you could be any animal, which one would you be and why?
no animal, only a people. But I like some animal. Say that question.
Okay. Do you like any animal?
Yes.
Okay.
So cutest one.
Which one?
A tiger.
Oh.
So cute. And so small like a baby.
Baby tiger you like?
Yes.
Okay, like cub. It is called cub.
Cub.
Okay, so moving on to the next question. What do you want to be when you grow up?
A big boy going in a show.
Which show?
A biggest show that has a many TVs to watch. Spider-Man, Hulk, Thor, Captain America, real of them.
You want to go to movies?
Not now, I'm a small boy.
Okay. Okay. Chalo, next question is, what is the funniest word you know?
It means that,
Do you know any funniest word?
yes,
Okay, which one? Whenever it pops on your head, you just laugh. Which is the word?
in the box I rolled it down 3 times and the Joker came out.
So which is your funniest word?
I just said one time.
You will not repeat?
Again.
Okay.
I'm not
Can you
repeating
tell me
again.
about your best friend?
You.
Oh, it means your mama.
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy.
And Punchu.
Oh, anyone else?
Nani, Nana, Amma, Kannu,
And
Nanaji.
what about Pulkit?
Yes.
Okay, moving on to the next question.
Number 6.
You? How do you know that? Are you counting?
Yes.
Oh my god. Okay, so moving on to the next question. What does a perfect day look like to you?
That it's daytime and everything is fine. We are going to Ghummi.
Oh. And
That I love everyone.
okay, next question is 7th question. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Spider-Man.
Superpower like Spider-Man.
Yes.
Nice. That's cool.
And now the 8th question is
Oh my goodness, Priyan. You keeping an account. Okay, listen. Now the 8th question is, what's your favorite story or book?
superhero story.
Oh, okay. So the next question would be,
9.
what's your favorite game to play and why?
Worm.
Huh?
Worm.
What is worm?
Worm means that worm lost if the snake eats.
Okay. That mama was playing one day.
No, that I was playing in the TV.
Worm game? I don't know. Which one?
Worm one that opens its mouth and closes its mouth again and again. At the same time.
Okay. That Mario one?
No. A red and orange and yellow and green and blue worm one.
Okay. I don't know. Okay, let's move on.
One which
Okay.
eats apples and it has more circles.
Om nom. Okay. Good.
On the green.
If you could build anything, what would you build?
A rocket ship would building blocks.
Oh, you have built it already, है ना?
I have not. You have to order some blocks.
You have so many blocks already.
No, I
How
don't.
many more blocks you want?
I don't have any blocks.
Yes, the next room is full of blocks. Okay, let's move on to the next question.
Number 10.
What makes you happy when you're sad?
It makes me happy when I eat cake.
Oh, that mama bake for you.
Yes.
Oh. When you're sad, what makes you happy when you're sad? When you're sad. So what is that thing that quickly makes you happy? What is that thing?
That if I eat
Cake.
cake,
Oh, I will bake more cake for you, okay?
also bake some cupcakes.
Okay. So next question is
11.
If you had a pet dragon, what would you name it?
Baby. Baby dragon.
Okay. That was interesting. Okay, what do you think dreams are made of?
Like I love everyone. Like it's a lot everyone.
What do you think dreams are made of? Dreams.
That I make a cardboard box, small one dinosaur.
Dreams.
Green
सपने.
of that.
सपने. जो
That
हम
Sam
dream.
and her mom made it. One of that.
हम जो ड्रीम्स देखते हैं ना, जब हम सोते हैं, हम ड्रीम्स देखते हैं, तो वो कैसे बनते हैं ड्रीम्स? कहाँ से बनते हैं वो? कैसे आ जाते हैं हमारे आइडियाज में? कैसे आ जाते हैं हमारे ब्रेन में? आपको पता है?
I searched it one dream that Sam wished at sleeping. One dream, a biggest dream.
Which
A small one and big. That dinosaur, that Sam made it a biggest dinosaur cardboard one that it just turned on in walks and roars very loud.
Wow. Okay, I'll ask another question.
Number 12.
I don't know. I'm not keeping count. Okay, so I'll ask. This is from my side. What makes you so happy?
At the colors of the rainbow.
Really?
Yes.
And who do you love so much?
You.
Oh. And where do you want to go? If you want to go gummi somewhere, and with whom do you want to go? Who do you want to take? Who do you want?
Punchu Mosi.
And where do you want to go?
Ghummi.
Where? Which place? Any place you can
To
remember?
take coconut water for everyone.
Okay. You want to go gumi with Punchu Mausi to take coconut water for everyone.
Yes.
Okay, to bring coconut water for everyone.
Yes.
Okay.
Now the another question you're gonna ask number 13.
How you want your mama to be?
Happy, not sad.
Oh, Manu. You are so adorable.
Now the another question you're gonna ask 14.
Yes, I want to ask one question. You want to say something to, small babies who are watching your video? You want to say something?
Yes.
What?
That-
Any advice you want to give the small babies, or anything you want to say or to do something?
Subscribe that channel that Mama couldn't sikha to Pulkit that I couldn't do anything naughty.
No, this is the other thing. I'm just saying that if you want to say something to your small babies, guys, the small babies who are watching you right now, what do you want to say to them?
And
Any advice you want to give?
I want to say that I love you all boys and girls.
Okay, and if you want to say something to your big subscribers who are like uncle, aunties, bhaiya, didis, you want to say something? You can say right now.
That I love everyone and
They bake something for me?
Yeah, for me.
Who bake? Nobody bakes anything for you other than me. I am talking about all the subscribers or viewers who are watching you. We are watching this video right now. What do you want to say to them?
That something was happening in Mikey and JJ's world. Oh no! Something strange was happening in Mikey's world, in Mikey's house.
Who is Mikey? I don't know.
Mikey, the green one,
Okay.
who eats too much sweets. And
Is it okay to eat so much sweets?
no,
Why?
because it hurt our tooth.
And what we should do
And
to
Mikey,
take care of our tooth? What should we do?
we should eat a healthy food.
Okay, and
Now the question you are asking me, I'm gonna tell. If Mikey was sleeping in his bed and something strange noise was waking up.
okay.
Something was inside in the bed. It was Tom and Jerry puppets in light balls. They could attack and eat.
All right. Okay, thank you, Priyan, so much for your time, your energy, and your so pure thoughts, cute smile,
Now
and your
the-
presence.
Now the 15th question you have to ask. That
I don't know what should I ask.
the
Guys, if you want to ask any questions from Priyan, you can comment. Yes.
The 15th question is that to ask that how do you like this fridge I made?
That is the different thing, Baba. We are not asking that type of questions.
Ask that question.
Okay. What do you like about that fridge that Priyan decorated?
That I like that fridge that I decorated so nice.
Okay. You want to sing any song or any mantra you want to dedicate to all the viewers, because we love you so much and we want to hear something.
I want to song any song.
Sing.
Sing. I want to sing a song.
Okay. It should be good.
Lalle rom rom achai lalle rom rom lalle rom rom achai lalle rom rom.
Okay, bye bye. Love you all. And please like, share, and subscribe to Priyan's channel. And just watch him. Watch him and entertain yourself just by watching his video. Bye bye.